Okay, young some of you are covered by family, Costa TV live on Facebook, YouTube, live, and so Chanso and TV no, digital TV na wako waskane no abo channel 514 and so obejan live and so ahwe and so nti wo ma Facebook abra oba wa like no wa se no ja comment and so area to transfers ekoso no dey ana wo expect say ABC now they will comment and so ede aba namik morning
Collins
bibia boko
ya bela do bibia boko
okay bibia fine
oh bibia e kama
so for the
bibia no ye bibia e kama bibia e fine
ne na da yam hweme
wadasi yebechia ahwefunya na obi a orhwe no bebi mo bia ozin kan yafa Madrid for one number 10 shattered Jesse no fa shase the Madrid number 10 Jesse in a 7 only one iconic Jesse what team no nti say if 110 Jesse in a 7 or iconic za actually Vinicius Junior sisi I don't know share 7 after Cristiano Ronaldo kwano and wa pick Jesse number 7 or share in football so say a pede is ka commercial no sales of Jesse so count pop nti say 10 Jesse na ba vacant was my bia ana ibia o she Jesse na woboto nti say hwe Adagula na Kylian Mbappe Lutina one of Madrid is Jesse ni shena woboto Jesse no doubt on Kylian Mbappe say Kylian Mbappe she 10 Jesse na one woboto Jesse ni bodo so Asen Adagula inti Madrid for consider one mistake on about yadweno Adagula na Kylian Mbappe ka to abadabi straightforward was the Jesse no Kylian Mbappe because Kylian Mbappe play bia we are seeing obia ni Kylian Mbappe as obotum waye na aza waye and say alo she 10 Jesse na Obama at least commercially no obeyeska say if you today FC Barcelona we have a lot of Spanish boys what origin where Spanish for wasn't number 10 nation he beat today Pedri a Spain boy Spanish boy Gavi no man as a Ferran Torres no ya or but was a share an Africa about 20 Jesse na mo yes but then ko oye be easy one in Spanish for me is one racism in something as I but what share that was just in the share Yamala ubeyeska commercially no and I was just in Zeaden was sharing to Madrid no 2 ways more one share of just cinema Kylian Mbappe or discover broad and then share Chelsea for one Xavi Simons now per waka fanman or a very good but the issue is Xavi Simons no or a very good player starting from PSV to PSG to RB Leipzig, right? Yes, Netherlands international. But Monty there, Xavi Simons last season about 25 games. RB Leipzig scoring 10 goals, giving 7 assists. 22-year-old player. Won April 21st, 2003. Now I attacking midfielder. I started as an attacking midfielder. Otumbo left wing, Otumbo right wing. Otumbo center forward. Number 8. Otumbo 8, 10, 7, 11, and 9.
Okay.
That position is in your Otumbo. Now the left wing in total in the entire career. As a left wing, we have 59 games.
Okay.
Scoring 18 goals, giving 17 assists. As an attacking midfielder, we have 41 games. Scoring 19 goals, giving 12 assists. Playing as a right winger, watch 27 goals. About 27 matches. Watch 7 goals, 1 assist. All as a center for that, playing as number 9. About 10 games, watch 5 goals, 1 assist. Or a playmaker. Wage bills were 115,000 per week. Logic. The CCR, intimate the right wing one or the Kakasha.
Team Neto, and Estival Beche, the
right wing goal.
Jimmy by negatives were left. It's a canon, there's a critical teaching. Okay. And in Kukubeko, Umbaton, Umbe Susa, in Kukusuka, Namateru, Nebeka Kubama, it's all Bahano, not already on that side. Oh, competitions also.
Yes, competition is not one or so. And as well, so into a squad in depth. Into what I found out. See, American Oba no Obama competition. He needs to compete. But 70 to 80 na Eka Kafanaban. Here no it has the Oba bats in a bench or on the bench. Oba try there and Oba pedef Chelsea for one starting 11 no. Oba women are then Wobble. But in now goes to Enzo Maresca. The player na so no Mozanobo. Yes, so Obono is why not? Obo tomorrow starting lineup no. Nti Chelsea so wakafana ba fine but mu Club World Cup na Chelsea ka bon scanner way up to mu say Chelsea open the say screen so ti no
on say enna wo ka bi say omuni obi a omu kufawa ba the next 2 years also make sure say scam wo maka
oboton animal nti that if so you are one of the projects na wakafana ba within track back nti dem na machine o yedwuma in this say move forward or German coach Germany machine in this say attacker we are all attacking defender we are all defending in the asmo catch or Rashford and now ya was there one left wing at that means airborne number 11 airborne 11 and left wing airborne 11 sometimes so as time or what we using as number 9 in the session so we using as number 9 Ferran Torres Barcelona or Ferran Torres no Lewandowski no Dani Olmo these 3 players here to go as center for 2 or strike what to go as number 9 in the competition now Rashford akakotomun only easy competition but as for the left wing be about compete and Dani Olmo in the one so was now because that one play the 2 over 10 or 2 super 8 yeah Jeremy Rashford naka so Rashford or 2 over was in or play above his level or train hardly now as a flick another offer waka check the corner Olympic for them one should work from the Inter Milan for one Dazzle Dumfries a very good player 29 years of age when 18th April 1996 right back boy 35 million euros the 35 million euros in a problem or team Barcelona what to work out but the issue is Rashford one Garcia or a goalkeeper from Espanyol already stone because we play 1:1 and the Barcelona for an Spanish La Liga no your ratio be at Idran sound a 2 register player until the other centers like a 4 player by straight up made but in Spanish La Liga no or there wage go no over 1:1 a Club World Cup now Enzo Maresca but you see one captain James Bobo right midfield on support no right back no or support yes Damina guy so Dumfries so Otum as right midfield and one 174 matches scoring 22 goals giving 26 assists meaning so as right midfield on your bad which means right back or inverter you are still a defender but just the upper support midfielders no than one game in this way you will lose ball and I will defend you run back to your position natural position but start to defend when finish there's a draw back a big now position away from that is Otumbo as number 5 center back I want 11 games on Shebi or assist B and Otumbo as defensive midfielder using as pivot 1 and we just defend back 4 no be it back 4 and back 3 and we doing one shield to the messing a Casemiro or Jorginho Thomas Partey no naze where Chouameni Cascante, Rodrigo, boy and ahead, the maybe when I be 2 years, Damano Wabo as Damano for twice, or she go be a no Wabo left back so that, but left back no Wabo once. Now so no weakness in there, so where attack team attacker, no opponents in no position. Let me if you a defender, if you not around the back to Waba and Ankasa need you to on track, no original, no weakness, and aside that. A very good Barcelona for 1 second or very good addition or Oboboa or team Barcelona. Now Marcus Rashford by Barcelona no. As a flick was set some rules here rules here in Kunko Idu or 10. One of the 10 rules he needs to follow. One also Odru team training ground war. 90 minutes before I start training. Yes.
More than 1 hour.
More than 1 hour.
Oh, okay.
1 hour 30 minutes.
Okay.
You need to be there. But however, 1 hour 30 minutes in ever consider about personally you need to train. As a you train. Ronaldo no. As a shall say because I'm not again with fitness in term. As I will be our team in the also only 90 minutes before team one arrival or about training. Secondly, no lateness. No training grounds on pellet. Match day on pellet.
Okay.
And was there Obia so team was what team canteen.
Okay.
More take time and sign about being used to the new environment. Into the football team. And language barrier so you want English boy, English in Orca. But you sir, I'm not naming the opera called Barcelona initially or Philip team in opera Barcelona. In the Spanish language in Russia, today Arnold being there, Okakabo Madrid one day, or see a Spanish, either word is in crowd or Spanish very fluent. And an Ankasana Mami, Nanpapa, they were wondering, now you see a Spanish and a bender. Nani wa ufumpu himi na wati Spanish kasa obujino ka Spanish pepe clearly Mbappe do the same thing no so obujino ka Spanish pepe since when you that the video ka ko the team nti wo so nti yim say Rashford so we see Spanish kasa na by football na kasa your football language wo players na kasa ojina pa ko da wana wati won kasa ibi wo yen kremu but ball because of football terms nti otumuze nkran kasa anakasa bi term na aze wana kasa wo use anti any rules ni bia Hans Flick was set Zama or Marcus Rashford as a entire team is over. And you say Anaka as a personal. And Rashford you play bia or you're consistent. No consistency hall. Good. Plus all could train so you be or arrive team train very late. And then go back say as Vegas scenario or lazy. In the Hans Flick soon lazy players. Actually, this German coach is now Charlie Ija. Now I'm wire at time and in the week we were training be a wire friend intensive training session or your full 90 minutes. 155 2 players. Collins were bad way. CCR 2 players, Manchester 2 players, an attacking player or Matthew Schooner or Timu Botan. No, Wakafa from the left or the right wing and a center and also. Last season or 20 goals. Now Kuna Susha about 10 goals or more double digits. I think 10 or so. Into these 2 players was the 30 goals. No was ever. And last season United a whole team now was shine. I think 50 something. In this our friend was 60. In this 60 let's say you 2 players one on board with 30 goals. It means half of your goal last season. There were 2 players was it behind and was about. In this United team she won them 50 to 60 goals last season this season here. Let's say these 2 players who won 30 goals now it means watch 90 goals. So when you have 90 goals now meaning they can compete for the league. Okay. Yes, they can compete because league it will be 90 100 it will be league. In this when you 2 players who won 30 goals to their 50 and 60 goals now giving them 90 goals now it means one call. Liverpool kafa Florian Wirtz by 100 and something 130 just a player. The numbers do this guys one number so wakafana but that's the one where this number so one but I think United are a very good business. Our bobo it's a very good business this is I kafa 70 million just a player and Chelsea for and I'm go into Chelsea Joao Pedro kafana 55 plus this 70 or you can't want to also want to place it. I can find a Stavo and Naba. And that's a good sense so one on in the transfer market why and what say them PSG free. We don't say transfer market starting on Neymar. What to name 222. We really know to break bank. Kafa Kuba about 90 something is better from there the market tonight. Marketing I say this I don't know football marketing okay where 80 years but I come from Maguire 80 zaba now your friend speed speed yeah Pogba na Cristiano Ronaldo when but What we send there, Ballon d'Or, the first 3 on your one. Even names of where?
Miti Dembele Bugo.
Obo Dembele. The last person nobody is in the area, Mr. Obo Yamal. Nobody Dembele, no Obo Maguire.
It's a no, Parliament of Flew White there. It's a Jim Como.
What's it?
Now, and a man of football.
7
Message about a man guessing, and a captain. Jordan Ayu, and so ye, Abu Drew, it's boom. Now, you and I can kind of come on. And so, ha. Me trouble, some mamma, I'm a fisherman, Eddie Boo, Eddie Mamma, me passes here.
My name is Honorable Eduamwa Ekopein Oche, Central Regional Minister, and I welcome you to Central Region Expo Tourism and Investment Fair, DAP Central Expo 2025, which takes place at Hadisada College Park, Cape Coast, from August 22 to August 30, 2025. Our region is known for tourism, education, and agro-business, and we are excited to showcase our achievement and opportunities here at Central Expo 2025. Over the years, the Expo has created opportunity for many small and medium-scale enterprises to showcase their goods and services to the outside world. In many cases, exhibitors have come from almost all corners of Ghana and outside Ghana and have maximized their sales and revenues. This Expo is a fantastic platform for us to connect with businesses, investors, and entrepreneurs from around the world. It is a chance for us to learn from each other and explore new opportunities. I invite you all to explore our region's exhibits and products, meet our entrepreneurs and innovators, and discover the many opportunities Central Region has to offer. We look forward to working with you and building a higher future together. For more inquiries, please call the Secretariat 0246 48 8830. Thank you and welcome to Central Expo 2025.
Okay, Yansa will be a crowd from Central Sports Arena, and so a fisherman, and I get Ebi Guo, and Yamamona, Yabashasia, and so a free Parliament House. Now, Unim said last week, and His Excellency John Dramani Mama, Ghana, your president, and so two just other 6 regions and all. Omuni stadiums ni bi no mo bomo dia se o so ensa be kan mo de e ma yidi ma e ma e ho no nyina no ona bubu su be yi nanim kabe na the meeting say Brekum West omu empia yidin e de honorable Kwabena Chire enso aka kakra e de atosu say na ni beje pa say sa amanyaman no enso ensa be kan mo de na sunyane bono regional capital no omunsu obobo dia say omu football stadium no omunsu ensa ebe kan modie e Brekum West yintin sema onaboro edituja.
In my capacity as the chairman for the Youth and Sports Committee of the Parliament of Ghana, to extend a heartfelt congratulations to our national women's football team, the illustrious Black Queens of Ghana, for their outstanding and hard-fought victory over a well-determined Algerian women's national team in the ongoing Women's African Cup of Nations far away in Morocco. With this triumph, the team has successfully advanced to the semi-final stage of the competition, where they will take on the host nation, Morocco, on Tuesday, the 22nd July 2025, which will be tomorrow. Mr. Speaker, this achievement is not a sporting milestone. It is a celebration of Ghanaian resilience, unity, and excellence. The Black Queens have consistently demonstrated commendable resilience, focus, and commitment throughout the tournament. They have indeed represented the nation with dignity and strength on and off the field. At a time when our younger generation seeks inspiration and leadership, the Black Queens have stood tall as an embodiment of what can be accomplished through hard work, teamwork, and belief.
Mr. Speaker, may I take this opportunity to make reference to the public statement recently made by His Excellency John Dramani Mahama to the effect that all the 6 new regions are going to get modern stadia. I'm very confident Western North will have one, and probably Bibiani will be the venue. May I also take this opportunity, Mr. Speaker, to plead that when these new regions are being considered, the epicenter of football in Ghana, that is Bono region, specifically our regional capital, Sunyani, should be considered for a modern stadium as well as my constituency, Brekum West, Mr. Speaker, which has 6 Division 2 clubs, namely Fetenta Jinyame, Anyimom FC, Jinijini Jaffa, Domfete Galazi, Adom Afa Soccer Academy, and my own football club, Eagle Soccer Academy, of which I'm the proud owner and the bank ruler. Notwithstanding the fact that we have 6 teams in the constituency, there is not a single playing field. The teams are forced to move to either Brekum East or Sunyani West to play league matches. So I'm pleading that as President is considering building 6 for the new ones, and Sunyani being the epicenter to be considered, Brekum West will also have a modern facility to unearth the numerous talent we are yet to discover. Honorable Speaker, thank you once again, and I want to commend the maker of the statement and would want to assure him that we are solidly behind Gold Stars, and I'm very confident they will do us proud when they go into the Continental African Club Championship. Thank you.
Thank you.
Parliament House mama man football nyame atoma guess no Black Queens for ni ejina akono na semi-final game no Nigeria South Africa airport omuwia na yene Morocco eji abomti Nigeria and South Africa at 4 o'clock sanso ana Ghana Morocco about the host nation eti obompire no obi ama yemma na yede and one seminar eti na omu coach your friend anya Kimlas di nkoma o si ono wa win the place ni bi wa mu se bi mo egu so eteki steps enoma ekoyi edemo yetin sema Kimlas to dia.
From the start, like in a tournament, it's a little bit different way to think. You need to be there every single day, and if you compare like a club team, you go and take steps. And I think we have seen many of our players that have taking steps in just a couple of weeks, and we are a better team now than just like 1-2 months ago. And I'm really happy to see that process, and that's why I think even if the recovery process will not be the best before this game, I still believe in my players. I know that we can do it tomorrow.
Someone coach Kimlas Black Queens coach Eddie Tuga we no say offer a game plan no ebesitinu bring mabara no odi ekobo against Morocco and anybody into your cacao.
Coach, it means that I watch everything I can find when it comes to opponents because I would like to have control. In the end of the day, I'm not the one that playing the games, but I at least for myself want to have the control, and I want to give together with my staff, the players, the most realistic game plan that we can have, both when it comes to the opponents' like strength and weaknesses, but also to match them up with our skills.
Okay, we know Osai Ekasa Edifa approacher odi ekoshia Morocco and yenti approach also iko.
I don't know him so well. I've coached against him, and I know him by name and those kind of things. I respect the coach a lot. I can see in the way that Morocco plays that he's doing a good job. But this is the same with many teams. When we played against Algeria in the previous game, I was the same thing there. He's a coach that I respect a lot, that I also coached before against. He had a good experience from like the best teams in the league, in the French league, and also I've been coaching against him in China, for example. So sometimes as a coach, you need to think a little bit. He knows that I know, and then it goes a little bit back and forward. So there were like a few situations when I expect like the coach in Algeria, for example, to make some moves against the way that we wanted to play, and he did, and then you can take it back the momentum a little bit, and that goes a little bit back and forward. But that's actually like the most fun part as a coach, when you coach against a coach that really like thinking football, and you can see that he tried to do things and challenge you. I love that part, but now I'm in the football coach bubble a little bit.
Okay, and some Black Quiz quiz. Kimilas Tuga. Now, we know Kasafa and Morocco, coach, also Nimpa, na Unimuna or Yakumapa, and so Edma Morocco, and my idea once I'm ready to Ghana. Afraid Anna Yankuni Guti and some kind at a phone one place or no or more ever come. Say, if you move 80 key a needed steps are a common. Didn't see some money to you.
Of course, I know them, know the team pretty well. It was actually my first game as a coach for Ghana against Morocco. It was a tight game. We had our chances to win that game. In the end, we lost in the last minute, if I remember right, with 1-0. But we also saw that we have the chance to win that kind of games as well. I will not talk about specific players in the opponent's team, but of course we know that they have quality in the defense line, in the midfield, and in the attack, and also a decent goalkeeper. But we also know that, like all of the teams, they have some weaknesses as well. So we just need to push hard there, and like I said, hopefully have a good game tomorrow.
Okay, and some kakra Kimilas and so a Tuga. Now, we look at for Morocco team no ho. Say Morocco team no there, of course. Onimomo na omuye good ba team.
This stage of the tournament is very huge for us as a nation, and we trust our coach, and all we need to do is follow the game plan and give everything we've got.
Okay, when a Black Quiz omu player, I felt a Sharifa to Sumala. I was see omu coach no omu jidi na omu ebeji ne tactics no any a football be momo no eno anu bubu akodi so enso on my idea once no e tuga obi no say omu omu motivate omu yedi omu baby a motivate no mabo new place na omu so alakati nyenti sama Sharifa to enso e tuga.
First tournament, they have a lot of energy, and it really helps the team. And we try to motivate them and try to help them with the experience we have, and it's really good for the team.
Okay, and some and so I can't be editor. So now you call Parliament House. Now you're come out Tafo Omo a member of Parliament, the friend of Honorable Vincent Eko Asifua. I don't say Black Quiz in Mano Afcon semi-final na Omako Koduno resource Ekoye and so the moment you know the visionary previous NPP administration or amo Adawoma and a team no and so I could do on it yentin sama Honorable Vincent Eko Asifua and so a kind yentin.
That I rise today in my capacity as the chairman for the Youth and Sports Committee of the Parliament of Ghana to extend a heartfelt congratulations to our national women's football team, the illustrious Black Queens of Ghana, for their outstanding and hard-fought victory over a well-determined Algerian women's national team in the ongoing Women's African Cup of Nations far away in Morocco. With this triumph, the team has successfully advanced to the semi-final stage of the competition, where they will take on the host nation, Morocco, on Tuesday, the 22nd July 2025, which will be tomorrow. Mr. Speaker, this achievement is not a sporting milestone. It is a celebration of Ghanaian resilience, unity, and excellence. The Black Queens have consistently demonstrated commendable resilience, focus, and commitment throughout the tournament. They have indeed represented the nation with dignity and strength on and off the field. At a time when our younger generation seeks inspiration and leadership, the Black Queens have stood tall as an embodiment of what can be accomplished through hard work, teamwork, and belief in oneself. The team's success is a powerful reminder that the future of Ghanaian sport is bright and that our women athletes continue to make us proud on the global stage.
Okay, when I opinion the team so NS Nobak or no chairman of parliament sports committee no or no chairman and so now Obomayo Abasu Makodu semi-final yedi one seminar na Kudus and so Black Stars player or the message edama mobile and then we game omokobo yiti sama Kudus Black Queens in Ghana.
Hi, Black Queens. Mohamed Kudus here. I'm just here to wish you guys all the best in your upcoming games. I'm really, really proud of your energy, your hard work, and fight to defend the country, Ghana. I'm really, really looking forward to your next game, and I hope you guys bring the gold home. Wish you all the best, and we are behind.
Okay. And so Kudus and so attire now my Black Stars captain Jordan are you on so message the fact so now only the also to my sisters the Black Queens. I'm beyond proud of the way you have represent Ghana on the biggest stage. Your determination, skill, and teamwork are an inspiration to us all. As you prepare to take on Morocco in the semi-final, I want you to know that the entire Ghanaian football family is behind you. We are rooting for you and we believe in your ability to make history. Go out there, give it your all and make Ghana proud. Let's do this. Queens, Jordan Ayew and so Edia. Ono so edi aba enso enono na ye ko old tafo MP no ono no ne kasa nu ze o ye PP ni pa na ye fa no honorable Vincent Ekon asefo ono be say e ma no be gu makwa kodu no eye de PP aban no be ye no ana aboa e ma no amu makwa kodu semi final yenti sema honorable Vincent Ekon asefo enso ekan.
Beyond the celebration of this victory lies a story of resilience, long-term investment, and sustained commitment, particularly in the often underappreciated area of women's football. While recent support must be acknowledged, this achievement is undeniably built on the foundation laid by the previous New Patriotic Party's government, which took deliberate steps to reposition women's sport as a national priority. It was under the leadership of the NPP that we witnessed the revamping of the Women's Premier League through structured funding and logistical backing. It was again under the leadership of the New Patriotic Party that we witnessed the construction of the many astroturfs and sports infrastructure across the country, providing modern and accessible training facilities. It was under the leadership of the NPP that we witnessed the development of female-focused football policy frameworks through the Ghana Football Association, supported and encouraged by a government that believed in gender equity in sports, and targeted capacity-building programs for coaches and female sports professionals to ensure quality growth from the grassroots to the national level. Mr. Speaker, these investments were not headlines. They were real, strategic, and visionary. Today, the fruits of that legacy are being harvested, and not by any single administration, but by the nation as a whole. Let this moment remind us that national sporting success is not achieved through rhetoric or occasion-based praise. It comes through consistent, non-partisan commitment to funding, infrastructure, and talent development, especially for our women.
And my Honorable Vincent Eko Asifwa Old Tafo Ashanti Region MP Erono Ana Yatenenka ya free MPC Emre MP ya free MP Emre NDC na eno ana eno so Lower West Achem MP ono so Honorable Fripo Ori enso say nipli nkofo wo ni constituency wo nyina omudi bet na bet omudi ye no 10% tax yanti omo enti omo so ni agi ono so tiere kasama NDC na yeko na yenti ono so ne sama ono so editubia.
With all the investments in 2016, the Black Queens were in the 3rd place. 2018, they were knocked out in the group stage. 2020, it was cancelled. 2022, they did not even qualify. 2022, they did not even qualify. 2024, at the quarter stage. Now in 2025, we are in the semi-finals. So, Mr. Speaker, the good side is my friends in my constituency were so happy. On last Saturday.
Honorable, hold on. Honorable members, please. He started 2016, we were in the 3rd place.
Yes.
So I don't see anything wrong with what is going on.
No, Mr. Speaker, in 2016, we were in the 3rd place. But with all the investment...
Please.
Mr. Speaker, with all the investment, in 2020, we were knocked out in the... in the stage, in the qualified stage. Mr. Speaker, 2025, we are in the semi-final stage. Now, the good side is my people in the constituency are so happy that last Saturday they won my betting this thing, and the tax, there was no 10% tax. There was no 10% tax out of what they won.
Okay, eno ari de koso enso ewo Parliament House embra na ehwa de pa enso eho na yemra ye club football na kotoko onse omu akobo Africa ti no mabebiri anomu ye na data bank CEO kodo ade mensa ono se kotoko o se omu handover edema company bia ono ebekọ ebeye the core focus on sports management iti yinche esema data bank omo CEO kodo ade mensa enso eka erichere kotoko fo.
So the structure is a problem. We need to focus on giving the team to a company that, like an FSG, their focus is sports. But then we have some clauses in there. You can't move the team from Kumasi. That one out. You can't change our red. You can't change our porcupine yellow, our porcupine logo with the green and black. You can't. Those are the colors of us, green, black, and yellow. Colors of Asante.
Yeah, that's Asante.
So there are some things you can't just plug in there. And I've said it. I always use the Cardiff example. We learned the lesson from Cardiff, where when they handed over the team to the Thai, the Thai people, because Asia people like red, they were moving their color from blue to red, and there was Aluta, Cardiff broke loose. So there are measures we can put in place to ensure. But this, and then the person will go on and come back and say, Kotoko Osim or hey, Majim. You know that?
Yeah,
no.
Yeah.
So that's the structure we have to look at the structure. We have to and make it very professional. And I'm telling, can you imagine if an FSG is running Kotoko, they can't bring Pitso? You think they can't bring Pitso and manage Pitso properly?
Yeah.
And make sure that the structures are in place? We will win Africa again. But we can't win Africa like this. Oh. This thing we are doing there, we can't win Africa. No way.
Wei and Sama Data Bank CEO Mr. Kujo Ate Mensa and so Tuga. Now Orion say Sokotoko episode making impact and so our African man on their own Caribbean all can say Omunkongo for coach Pitso Mosimani. Now Omunfana Brada no Omunkongo Ba making impact our Africa. Yentin Sama Kujo Ate Mensa and Tuga.
I say Kotoko. Listen to me. If we want to make an impact in Africa, this is my view. If we really want to make an impact in Africa and not do what we've been doing all this, I think we need to hire a coach who has been there, done it, and won the t-shirt. Who do I recommend? I strongly will tell my Kotoko people that if we want to make an impact in Africa, we should go for Pitso Mosimani, the man who won the Champions League with no other club but El Ali. Masa, and nobody should start asking me, hey, but can we afford him? Are you telling me that Ote Adeko Kosu cannot pay Pitso? Earlier, about an hour or two ago, what were we talking about?
Rashford.
Thank you very much. You were saying that we can pay Rashford. Why can't we pay Pitso Mosimani? And do you know what Pitso will do? He will attract players. Honestly, with all due respect, Charlie, in Ghana, we have talent, but we don't have quality. We don't have quality.
There's a big difference.
There's a difference between talent and quality. I'm telling you.
Yeah, that's true.
The quality to play at that level in Africa, we don't have it. Masa, we don't have it. Look, Zito took Dreams. They boxed above their weight 10 times. It was like flyweight to heavyweight.
Okay, and so Data Bank CEO, Mr. Kojo Ademensa, and so a kaya, Yadi, and Wasamana Edi, Eba, na Mami Kotoko, na Mindim Kobo. Na himself, Massa Satekoloko, Nami Atumende to buy a numerated Quachanadi, let him not occupy our South Africa, Omo, and so a Kobo Mwega, Akobo, a game of money Kaiser Chief. And so a Pacobono, and also Ebe Basu, and so no move you on no more bar. Ebe spending 2 weeks. Now, Omuba, Omababo, a year, Omaba Kumasi, no more Gata Tofono, Omubo repair, Timono, Ebe started pre-season training, and so I will keep coach. And he kept coach, and a Kumasi as I take on a club, and so a Babo, and so a guy, and one summer. And so at the Ebramo, and so I said, Debbie, I buy a can free last week, no idea when I catch them all, and so Ufia. Sir, oh, yeah, a year Abrantiaba, now West so open sell Opo, and so quick chida, and ya catch them that I say, Opa, Yamia to my Division 2 club, a year the new, and so our Abra, now a dear Dasso, I Abra young Pania, so wouldn't Dino Otiasia, and I want to regard for wood. Na wapa na Timono and so trials. Yeah, we can justify. Oba na odi woni achirem. and so maybe down 26th of July. Now we need to more Kakomoto and upon 9 a.m. anopa na yashase ti oba na onso waba oba bremu den brabo won ti say the okobo eye born enti sa na etie age of between the age of 15 to 20 years enti oba coaches no enso e wa rank obode moro ana ebe kire wo tanya wo obekatim no ana nka ho enti oba ya betre kwa enti ekwan eda ho ansa na kosiara na 27th of July maybe na ko say dey ni bi eh eno so kosiara dia no ebe ko so Agura Academy of Christ the King school park ho enti eno so oba na waba mu den na bibia so akoye anopo no nkro na between the age of 15 to 20 years oba ukura wo Ghana card o passport and answer birth certificate Ghana card ni e punk nemo passport no any birth certificate mu ba ko fa kan Ghana card no na so fabra enso ubetumi ni mpanifo na di nkoma na ehun hihye bia no oye papa oye maami na wo hweme a na onso wa peke na oni o madi nkoma 0594 05914 20509 0591 420509 and 0505 392074 0505 392074 now we pay for and so enti and come out and so honometi no economic yin command.
Okay, Collins. What I say? Your boss also a chia ahwefunya. Yan shasi wo America 2 athletics. Ghana yan yokra oto America mayan Saminu Abdul Rashid Saminu. Sisi ya Eben Africa hadia is a wabotodu Ebasa, the fastest runner wa Africa. Wabotodu iya 3. And where some program be wa Georgia Powder Springs wa Georgia 100 meters heat or running 9.84 9.84 seconds, making him the 3rd fastest runner wa Africa. Since it means Ghana, he is the fastest runner of Ghana. And in your preparation towards Tokyo na welcome. Inti yambo na badu na impinfun hweso na wonfa yemo ngwa kwemi ye man na wona ne training ni bibia won take ni serious ama yeduwa wetumu abono mwazi na wetumu wazi medal then was abra oye Ghana na yenhwe yam parliament fi yeah college your parliament fi won timi on the do oh mafuna ya kasi what say the football nankasa in general or your fully politics but football politics in here about national politicians and any party A and any party B and any party C, you know the dynamics in football itself or your politics good but ever down to yan party A, party B, MPP, NDC no was it young football no e2 kwa na year to afa ma sisi ya ozo there it's not about NPP, it's not about NDC or your Ghana nti dem ozo hu na MPP one year in the 2000 days 2000 dabi or your Ghana first because them it's me phone yan to aba being it MPP or being it NDC so nobody will recognize them MPP NDC but at long run people will recognize Ghana as a country. In the other first, what do on minor and sign and one individual sentiment and as an widen. Wabon, Sisia bet. This is not the first time I base bet. He base bet that before MPP, NDC, whatever taxes there and there. No more canals, you know. No, confuse one bet that. Oh, the baby are Indian citizens no enti me biase ya so I pray you to call kwabuchi this developed country CB ya pray yako but them taxes ya bi no was here won krom ye I mean I we pray yako in this old maybe I taxes na some ni baby I mean well also ni bia but old baby amu na I don't know what year or money, but what year and you what did you hear taxes now? You as I was the tax was here behind. So as Uncle Virgin said, was here BB oh at least you try or as I said that is a painful. Oh, one could be answered a walker there. My family was Shabaka come on one city and I would have one model which to Amino it doesn't speak well of them.
Okay.
As an MP and a minister,
no, of course it no matter.
Yes, that is it. That shouldn't come from the government. Was there running to what's on our worker? You are happy, you are this, you are that. They've been consistent for the past years. Since your couple semi-final, I can say in Akadas, what to wash $20,000. That will ginger the girls to go and score. But it's about a compliment to why has it. What's the Cassatin on top of Congo? So Cassatin, what up on we are is at work back. The foot will be not now. We had a really bad girl. Yeah, Martin, me uncle Papa way back when she was in Cape Coast. I'm precise. I am me uncle Casasa. Let's say Kim Lass, the Black Queens coach, you know. I say he has a game plan. That is it, or very true. That was also a game plan in Morocco. No? As a coach and as a team, that's a couple ball. Sometimes you do away with your what system. Na actually team there kakabon mpokolo obodan na system to that. Then you capitalize on any weakness and that punish it. But as one person who approach road, I mean, most of the times you're in favor because opponents know but those who read this is how you play, these are your weakness, these are your strengths. Into play to your weakness, into the same thing. Also, there actually, you know, the Morocco team and Moroccans, this is how they play. And as soon as you sit back and a corner for the Obashi Moroccans, and the coach shoot also all for them. Also, what was in the other easy. But ever since they lost their first match against the South Africans, that is it. And they've been consistent. On the ball, but they are playing to a party. They are playing a very good football. And this one girl we mentioned that in some Ghana, Kokobi provided fantastic player by our standard. Now, Ghana, you have to say about name. IG there, we will definitely score the Algerians and we are working on Facebook rather, and we want we don't come and I don't come here. Me freezing we escape Mkakra. A very good player. Into coach they are a very good side, which is very today a very good side. And he also believe in Nosono of Framano. And he so believe in no of Framano za onto to Nyama na Inyama from Mayan. And Black Star captain Oya Jordan Ayo, and the brother Oya Moro Kudus, Warish well, which is very good. Why as it when you we should come on board and support these girls. So now what shall we final? So this is the semi-final. In the Wakasha final. And Monka the last time I Ghana senior national side, being it in the Messiah for an army for Yabo final. I don't remember that last time. Juniors 10 years ago. You understand? There's a 10 years ago that Ibiabum said at that time maybe we are never will do P5. 10 years he says about P5. Into Charlie easy. Into the embassy of number one about now I will share about a protocol one coaching issue. A man
data bank
CEO no. Yes, also they should go for Musiman. A very good coach when it comes to the terrain of Africa, one of the best, if not the best, one of the best. Because the last time LL winning trophy, and winning, and he has the capacity, he has the experience, BBA, whatever it takes to win on African soil. When it comes to club football, he has it. But the issue is, Kotokobutu Utuene Kawana, are they willing to pay such an amount? Because in the Kotoko setup, Obi want $10,000. No player, not $10,000. And coach, he won the 100,000, 200,000, 300,000, roughly, by 400,000 over budget. But the issue is, Nankasine mu asem o ne companies ne dwuma ya mo ogu ne yim asepan Asante Kotoko oya the club in this nankasa akada this club no ogu ne dwuma ya no ogu ne yim asa are you sure there is he will he be willing no way dem scan e wo fontu ya player na coach Kawa he will only do that if Kotoko starts they are doing well will win trophy wajile wako Africa this season
ni problem in Africa.
Yes, it is if they are making good run of their chances definitely when they call for any big top-notch coach or Bafanaba. Since they have the material, Wakafa Karim Zito. What you can for Karim Zito or prepared to or sideline, Wakafa Mosimari Aba, which is very difficult. Open the map, your friend Karim Zito, or the washer, need 2-year contracts now. Was a worker album, no idea, was more local. It was this guy. And Karim Vito, but the last time he went to Africa, over semi-final, meaning he can equally do that match. 1 year ago, in the semi-final, that's what we are expecting from Karim Zito. Because on the same competition, we also call semi-final, or a CAF Confederation, or a Champions League.
Last time a coach did Kotoko with
Siki Akono, or group stages. In this Karim Zito last season, every semi-final, we expect you to do much better.
So we do final.
We do final. When you do final, Grandpa, you just be at your benchmark semi-final. Sakotoko Tumbo will do semi-final. That's what call up in so catching the coach or young boy semi-final. Or a very good batting can be as a upgraded coach on Karim Zito. We can play the final. No, like maybe as an assistant and an director. Or 2 for more listening years. But so that all do group stages when you go do group stages in the way from all can go for them top notch coaching on mobile twins can on. As I said, them coaching but attract big players, which is very true. But what in there so that big players no but attracting meaning Kotoko wage bill in the shoot. Kotoko sponsorship deals here. A year story be about 23 sponsorship. It be from who is me Nagana Yankees in from others. In the Sedama Kotoko needs to improve once play no quality no or about Kotoko players they can match this African Yobabe. So the Champions League is a Hamakada but Confederation is they are equal one strength in the same. Yes, because Echo Champions League back to Elani, back to Zamalek, Mamelodi Sundowns, known as a pyramid was very easy. She pyramid na Sundowns final quality. Pyramid quality. Esperance no Champions League na no easy. But Confederation you know say Kotoko can equally perform if what to do when ya over Cape Coast. What about tough one our Cape Coast? When I say mostly na say last season over Cape Coast. When you prosperity ogun or by sister. Definitely why not? Yeah, one baba. Now away from that, Sisi Kotoko, Kwesi Asante, Frederick Asare, Michael Twijamna, Adrian Tete, Wisdom Bassi, na Samson Eduku, Justice Blade. This some place wage on Kwan Mobiako.
US.
Obiako.
The agent say the manager say office about if you Europe, Africa, you are high. No one it you are or you training also or holidays or holidays now. Office give you a
Justice Blaze office or baby.
Also baby, Bahokla.
God be a man offer.
What's a gun could be a banker? What about to go no boating down and
office is your baby. Inti one share is America was over to equal to your offer. Now
one can America. You be some was America or Bamuji. What do you buy? Say, be bad, yeah.
And I work at American Post over 2 years. Offer this Rwanda, Ethiopia, I want a data for the Miracle. And actually, one of our Bahubeti Jehu, Francis Aqua, Johnson Apollo Wusu, Fuseni Zakaria, Seth Kojo, Aziz. Haruna Dari, Joseph Amwa, Lord Hilary Adabo, Philip Amwa, Nashwa Aibu Abubakar, 7.10 will include 10. Ninya Oye, so strategically silences are on your back because 7.10 about means roughly they've added only 3.
Okay.
And because 7.10 about means 3 per widen were add mathematically, which is on your back. In the Karim Zito and assistant coach Ghazali, right?
Yeah.
Yes. one share one to two.
Assistant Hamza
okay, Gazali Hearts na Hamza Obin or a very good coaches into one share one to two Yamana Wama BBI Jojo Farmer Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Now I want I crab a heart of work. Manzamu so why then? That don't see what I want to wada.
Place the big call.
Yeah, this year matter was left one band because Sabatos was in this Karaman.
Okay.
And this was in this Karaman that they should also start. Now breaking news be baba. Now breaking news no catch off now wangasa ayewu mpensem na as I want to impone fi krom haya
or your coach
I miss breaking news be ho but yes I'm a two I interview now show me na is about to etf woni na the man or be the first no am I attach that a breaking down your paul and I know off air Missy off air.
Pass Boniface. I see watching you live from Indum University. Yes, pass and check. You heard say all of it.
Sure.
See, no about now, when I say watching you live from Takrade Technical University, Francis and
Yeah, I mean, can't be from France. A very good player.
The Donatica, so
yeah, Natica, a very good centre back.
Oh, okay, centre back.
No, I know the children when you want to do our timing, our very good awareness. Yes, later we are good, very good awareness and a very good passer of the ball. But you know, the football was first time on the A2 ball. But your training is over here.
What's this at you?
You might always young man for friend then. Better see the book road in the Kankra. I'm wire fit now. Yeah, signing.
You man,
sister Benison. Sister Benison is also managing no BBA come and find
managing
Chief man was a shena. Date na shena. Anybody fear Kasim na any what you come because shock over. You watch yes, Chiaruna and the brother, so I know so no any deputy. Yes, or about the central region are there. Imamship no Nyano Blood Brothers. Bakuna Nechiriba. Na where as head and a deputy. Each row the type of ifia with him. In Chiaka same common. Na one asorumba ya krabofu ya na yan listeners ni ya echi bia listeners ni ya
Francis say the we are now work can start the play can be no anti
Messi Francis are very good when it comes to awareness or a very good passer of the ball when to approach and when to attract a player. In football, as we always say, mark the opponent without the ball or very dangerous. Player no only hit a ball or dangerous in player no hit a ball. Because player no hit a ball, our aim as I was born here. But no only hit a ball or original spacing only very dangerous because so move player na pass by. Them players in the France to track one. So very good.
What centre back again?
Oh, centre back as you. Mr. Van Dijk but yeah, Van Dijk.
Because one woman you the egg can it is our editor. Yes, so na Yakofa Joy Casebono and so at the Abramane brother China who got a midweek you be Cape Coast North area constituency and honorable chairman. It's chairman and I don't pay chow. I don't pay me now. It's bia be fa wa no hu ko no iti baba na aye sitting ne atrasina no mo twetwe bia be fine iti chairman mo ye be si nyamra mo tena mo beti ye ka enso ya wa ha ye ka mo